Let me ask you a serious question. What if the way you start your morning is quietly speeding up your aging? Not in 10 years. Not someday. But right now. Most people think aging is decided by genetics, or by luck, or by time. But modern research says something far more uncomfortable. Your daily habits, especially in the first 60 minutes after waking, can either slow aging or push your body into faster decline. And here's the scary part. Millions of adults over 60 repeat the same morning mistakes every day, believing they are harmless. Some even believe they are healthy. But inside the body, these habits increase inflammation, weaken muscles, raise blood sugar, damage the brain, and speed up biological aging. Today, we'll talk about 4 dangerous morning mistakes that silently accelerate aging after 60. And more importantly, what to do instead. Before we start, write your age and country in the comments. I read them and it helps this channel reach people like you. And please like and subscribe. It tells YouTube this kind of research-based health content matters. This video is based on long research. We cannot show every study here, so we will put strong reference links in the description for those who want to go deeper. Now let's start with the first mistake. It's the most common one, and it's doing more damage than most people realize. Mistake 1: Why does sitting still after waking up age your body faster than you think? Be honest. When you wake up, what do you do first? Do you sit on the bed for a long time? Do you go to the sofa? Do you check your phone, watch the news, or just stay still? It feels harmless, even comfortable. But after 60, this habit is quietly telling your body to weaken. Here why. During sleep, your blood flow slows, your joints stiffen, your muscles cool down, your nervous system shifts into rest mode. When you stay still after waking, you extend that low-energy state. A large study published in Diabetology and Circulation found that long periods of sitting are directly linked to faster metabolic aging, higher insulin resistance, and higher risk of heart disease, even in people who exercise later in the day. In simple words, you cannot undo hours of stillness with a short walk later. After 60, muscle loss called sarcopenia accelerates. And muscles are not just for movement. They control blood sugar, balance, hormone signals, and even brain health. When you stay still in the morning, your body reads this message. We don't need these muscles anymore. So it slowly starts breaking them down. Another study from the Journal of Physiology showed that even a few days of reduced movement in older adults causes rapid muscle and strength loss. Not weeks, not months, days. And there's more. Staying still in the morning keeps blood pressure higher, joints stiffer, and the brain in a fog state longer. This increases fall risk. It also increases fatigue, and over time it trains your nervous system to become slower. You don't need exercise. You need movement signals. Even 3 to 5 minutes of gentle movement after waking tells your body, we are still alive, we still need strength, we still need balance. Simple actions work. Stand up and walk for 1 minute. Move your arms in circles. Gently stretch your calves and back. Do 10 slow chair squats or wall push-ups. This is not fitness. This is anti-aging signaling. Question for you. What do you usually do in the first 10 minutes after waking? Write it in the comments. You might be surprised how much it explains about your energy level. Mistake 2: Skipping water in morning. Why skipping water in the morning shrinks your brain and speeds up aging? Let me ask you something simple. What is the first thing you drink in the morning? Many people say tea or coffee. Some say nothing for hours. Here's the problem. After 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your body wakes up already dehydrated. Blood becomes thicker, circulation slows, the brain gets less oxygen, the heart works harder. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition showed that even mild dehydration reduces attention, memory, and mood, especially in older adults. And here is something most people don't know. MRI studies from neurology found that chronic low hydration is linked to smaller brain volume and faster cognitive decline. In simple words, not drinking water in the morning is like starting your day with a dry engine. Dehydration also raises blood pressure, increases constipation, makes joints stiffer, worsens fatigue, raises the risk of dizziness and falls. And yes, coffee does not fix this. It can even make dehydration worse at first. As we age, the thirst signal becomes weaker, so you don't feel thirsty even when your body needs water. That's why this mistake is so dangerous after 60. You don't feel the damage, but it's happening. One study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who stay slightly dehydrated have higher rates of kidney problems, confusion, and hospital visits. What should you do? Before anything else, drink 1 to 2 glasses of plain water. Sit or stand and drink it slowly. Then wait 10 to 15 minutes before coffee or tea. This simple habit improves brain alertness, blood pressure control, digestion, energy levels. Question for you. What do you drink first in the morning? Be honest, write it in the comments. Mistake 3. Sugar-heavy breakfast. Why eating a sugar-heavy breakfast ages your body from the inside? Most breakfast foods look harmless. Toast, jam, cereal, biscuits, juice, sweet tea. But inside the body, they act like a stress test. After 60, your cells become more sensitive to sugar spikes. Your muscles absorb less sugar, your liver releases more sugar, your insulin works slower. A study in the Journal of the American Medical Association, JAMA, showed that frequent blood sugar spikes accelerate vascular aging and brain aging, even in people without diabetes. Another study in Nature Reviews Endocrinology explains that repeated glucose spikes increase inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 main drivers of aging. Here is what happens when you eat a sweet breakfast. Blood sugar rises fast. Insulin spikes. Then sugar crashes. You feel tired, hungry, and weak. And the cycle repeats. Over time, this speeds up skin aging, damages blood vessels, shrinks brain volume, increases belly fat, raises risk of Alzheimer's and heart disease. There's also a process called glycation. Sugar sticks to proteins in your body. This makes tissues stiffer, older, and more fragile. Skin, joints, and blood vessels suffer the most. This is not about never eating bread or fruit. This is about what you eat when your body is most sensitive. Better morning choices: eggs, yogurt, or cottage cheese, nuts or seeds, vegetables, a little fruit, not fruit juice, olive oil or a little butter. Protein and healthy fat slow sugar absorption and protect your muscles and brain. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that higher protein breakfasts improve muscle preservation and reduce cravings in older adults. Question: what did you eat for breakfast today? Write it down, no shame, awareness is the first step. Mistake 4. Why ignoring morning light confuses your hormones and speeds up aging. This mistake is silent, but it controls your sleep, hormones, mood, and even weight. Many people wake up and stay inside under artificial light. Or they look at a phone screen in a dark room. Here's the problem. Your brain has a clock, it's called the circadian rhythm. And it needs morning sunlight to set itself correctly. A study in Cell and Sleep Medicine Reviews showed that poor light exposure timing is linked to faster aging, weaker immunity, depression, and metabolic disease. Morning light tells your brain, stop melatonin, raise cortisol in a healthy way, start energy production, set the sleep clock for tonight. Without it, sleep becomes shallow, hormones become confused, appetite increases, blood sugar control worsens, brain aging accelerates. There is also strong research from the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, PNAS, showing that disrupted circadian rhythms speed up cellular aging and DNA damage. The solution is simple. Go near a window or outside within 30 minutes of waking. Get 5 to 20 minutes of daylight. No sunglasses if safe. No phone, no screen. This is not about walking. This is about telling your brain what time it is. Question: do you see real sunlight in the first hour after waking? Yes or no, write it in the comments. Conclusion: aging is not just about years. It is about signals. Every morning your body asks one question. Are we building or are we breaking down? Staying still, not drinking water, eating sugar first, hiding from sunlight. Each one sends the wrong signal. But the good news is this. Small changes in the first hour can slow aging more than most supplements. This video is based on long research. We cannot include every study here. So we placed strong scientific references in the description if you want to learn more. If this video helped you, like and subscribe. It tells YouTube this kind of content matters. And write in the comments which mistake will you fix first and how old are you. Your answer might help someone else more than you think.